If you run a dental practice in Australia, your insurance requirements reflect the professional and commercial complexity of operating a regulated healthcare business. You are personally and professionally liable for the clinical outcomes of your work. You operate from premises filled with expensive equipment, and your practice revenue depends on your ability to see patients every day. Each of those exposures requires specific coverage, and understanding what you need is important to ensuring you are adequately protected. Here is what covered dental practices need, what it typically costs, and how to approach comparing policies. Professional indemnity insurance, which in the dental sector is often referred to as medical indemnity, is the most important cover a dentist carries. It protects you against claims arising from your clinical work, a procedure that results in injury, an alleged misdiagnosis, a treatment that does not achieve the outcome the patient expected, or a consent issue. Professional indemnity for dentists is specialized and is typically provided through dental-specific insurers or through dental association programs. The level of cover required varies depending on the procedures you perform. Oral surgeons and those performing complex implant or orthodontic work need higher limits than general practitioners. Public liability insurance covers you for non-clinical injury or property damage occurring on your practice premises. A patient who slips on a wet floor, a visitor who injures themselves in your waiting room, or damage caused to neighboring premises. These are public liability scenarios distinct from your clinical work. Your practice premises insurance may include public liability, but check the limits carefully. Practice contents and equipment insurance covers your dental chairs, x-ray equipment, sterilization systems, handpieces, and other clinical and practice assets against damage, theft, and breakdown. Dental equipment is expensive to replace, and an uninsured equipment failure can disrupt your practice for days or weeks. Business interruption insurance covers your lost revenue if an insured event, a fire, a flood, equipment breakdown forces your practice to close temporarily. For a dental practice where revenue is generated on a per appointment basis, even a week of unplanned closure can represent a significant financial loss. Workers' compensation is compulsory if you have dental assistants, receptionists, or other employees. The workers' compensation framework for healthcare businesses in each state and territory applies to dental practices as it does to any other employer. What does it cost? Professional indemnity premiums for dentists vary based on the procedures you perform, your claims history, and the level of cover required. General dental professional indemnity through a dental association or specialist insurer starts from a few $1,000s annually and increases with procedure complexity. Practice contents, public liability, and business interruption add additional premiums. Work with an advisor who specializes in dental practice insurance to ensure your coverage is structured correctly. Use the free business insurance finder at Reliable Business Tools to find the right cover for your dental practice. Answer a few questions and get matched with relevant options, no obligation.